Howdy Lone Stars, I'm back, and today we're doing a little mix like I like to do on these tickets. We have two of the newest, well not the newest $10 ticket, I'm lying, my newest favorite $10 ticket, the 200 million cash explosion. You guys, I know some of you are like, that ticket's not that great, stop saying that. It's been so nice to me though, I have to say that. And then I picked up another one of those Pharaohs gold. I'd love to find another nice win on that one, so I figured it's worth a try. And then a $3 double bonus crossword because you guys know that I like them. And I really need to win a nice on camera for you guys because it seems like my good wins on this ticket have always been off camera. And that's just not nice. Let's zoom out just a little bit, get the whole ticket in focus. There we go. Real quick, you guys, before I start scratching, just a reminder, I recently put out a video talking about a very special live stream we're going to be doing to celebrate 4 years on YouTube. I'm going to link that at the end of this video. Make sure you check it out if you don't know what I'm talking about so you can get the deets. It's your opportunity to send in some fan mail. All right, you guys, in order to win on this ticket, we need to complete either one of the bonus words for an auto win. Up here, a minimum of 3 words to win. Got an A, so let's get our A's out of the way. I'll try my best to move through this as quickly as possible and not miss too many things. But just know I do miss things on this ticket. Crossword bingos, they're not my strong suit, but I'm getting better. All right, there's an A there too. M, do we have an M anywhere? Landmark, malt, all right. E, that's funny that one of my words is irate. I love using that word. I think it's because I used to work in a call center. And when people call in upset, that's the word we use. Not just my call center, just anyone that's ever worked in call centers will tell you that. People that need to speak to a manager because they're mad, we refer to them as irate. I think that's where I really picked up my habit of using that word, and I still do. C, there's our C in crown. Pick up your crown, queen. All right, is there a C anywhere? I don't think we have one up top. An I. There's my I in irate. Integrity. Knit. S. Shoe. You can't have a shoe without an S. Sentence. Defense, nest, stew, I think that's all my S's. U, duo, is that the only U? I think so. J, there's a J in J, ha ha ha. I think that's the only one. Okay, all right, so this is unfortunate. On this ticket, they like to group the vowels together, so there's no O here, meaning we're not going to find an O. So crown is out, but we could still potentially get irate. Pretty much any word up there that has an O, we're not going to complete, you guys. I hate to burst your bubble if you didn't already figure that out, but that's the one thing I hate about this ticket. All right, there's the K, a Z. Azalea. I've never seen that. I thought that was a name. I've never really seen names in here, just words. I know that names are technically words, but y'all know what I mean. G. Integrity. Ooh, I missed this E in sentence. And the C. God, wake up, Candy. Wake up. All right, G. V. Is there a V anywhere? Don't see one. H. Bother. I thought that said brother at first. H. It really sucks that we're not getting that O. We really could have used that O. I think that's all. So far as the H goes, the R in irate. I believe that's it. Y. All right, there's our first word. We've got J. Can we get 2 more words to win? F. There's the R I missed earlier. F, F, F. I don't see an F. Oh. Defense has an F. W. Stew. D. All right, there's our second word. There's add. And R I missed. Right. Q. I don't think we have any Q's. And B. That T would have been nice. All right, I think we lost on this one. Did have a D that I missed there, but we don't have the N. All right, I believe we lost on this one. I'll scan it to double check, but it looks like a loser. Next, let's go ahead and do the Pharaohs gold, y'all. All right, 45 and 51. For those of you that have never seen it, we just need to complete any row on this puzzle to win the corresponding prize. If we find 54, 26, or 21, which are the tips of the pyramids, then we automatically win. 45 and 51. 45 and 51. There's 51. Do we have a 45 anywhere? I don't see the 45. 8. There's the 8. 39. 44. 57. 12. There's the 12. If we find a 16, it'll be a $20 winner. That'd be nice. 33. 37. And our break-even point for this video is $28. 1. Is there 1 anywhere? Pesky number 1, now there it is. 56. 47. 42. 38. 40. Ooh, a 19 would get us $100. It's happened before. Can it happen again? 60, a 36 would get us 500. 7, is there a 7 anywhere? All right, last number, 20. I don't think that's gonna do us any good, you guys. Let's double check. There's the 20, yeah, no love. All right, unfortunately, that's a loser too. All right, we need our favorite $10 ticket to come through, you guys. We've got tickets 6 and 7. That's what we're gonna be scratching today. Let's see if we can find a win. We'll start with ticket number 6. That beautiful money bag that we love to see is what we're looking for, or the 20X that we still haven't found. Fun fact, I have found a 10, 15, 20, 30, 50, and $100 win already. So I just need the 200, 500, 1,000, 5,000, 50,000, and 1 million to complete my collection. Wishful thinking. All right, we also need to find the 20X to complete the bucket list of symbols on this ticket. We found the money bag pretty soon after the ticket first came out. I want to say that's the only time I found the money bag. I think every other time it's been a number match. So little money bag, if you want to show up again, I do like you. I just kind of really want to see the 20X. All right, we're going to need some love from this ticket, you guys. A 7. Lucky number 7. I don't see it. I see an 8. 16. There's going to come a point where this ticket turns around and stops loving me. It's going to be a very difficult breakup, you guys. 13. New. 12. I see 21. 24. I see 25. 40. I see 30. And last one, 27. All right, we did it. I have matched that last number a handful of times on this ticket, you guys. It's crazy. All right, let's see what's under number 27. It's a $10 win. This ticket hasn't given me too many $10 wins. They've mostly been bigger than that. But let's see if we can find some love, some back-to-back love on ticket number 7, you guys. We've gotten 10 of our 28 back, so at least we're not going to bust. But I'd like to add a little bit more to that. So let's see if we can find ourselves a money bag or a 20X, and then we'll check those winning numbers. Come on, 20X, where are you? All right, no symbols. Ticket number 7, though. It is a lucky number 7. Let's see if we can beat the odds and find a back-to-back win. 36. No. 28. Got a 29. 8. I see a 9 and a 7. No 8. 12. I see a lucky 13 and 11. I don't see a 12. 40. I see 30 and 4. No 40. 3. I see 30. 5. No 3. Can our last number come through again? I don't think lucky 21 is on here. I normally notice lucky 21. No back-to-back love today, you guys. It was a little bit of a rough session. We only had one win. It was a break even, so we did lose $18. But that's okay. We still found a win, so it's better than nothing. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video either way. I enjoyed making it for you. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe by hitting this little button right up there. Leave me some love down below, you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.